Everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Sorry I could not upload any recipe videos for last 3 months, but I could not help it because my laptop crashed. But now my laptop is okay and I'm back with a bang on recipe. So the first recipe after this long period of 3 months is chicken roast. It's a very delicious mouth-watering recipe and you get it in restaurant and weddings or even parties. This is basically an occasion friendly recipe and you can make it at home just like that. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now let's get started and start making chicken roast. For that, here in a kadhai I'm taking 4 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, as it's occasion friendly recipe, so you gotta need more oil. Now the oil is nice and hot. I'm going to add the chicken pieces. Here I'm adding the chicken piece of one thigh and I have marinated it with some salt and some turmeric, and I'm going to fry it for 5 minutes over medium flame on each side. I'm using 2 chicken thighs here. The entire thigh and the leg portion is used here. Flip it and for 5 minutes again cook it on the other side. Now it's done. Remove it from the oil and do the same with the next one. Now meanwhile I'm going to make a paste. For that, here I have taken 9-10 cashew nuts and handful of raisins. To that I am going to add some coconut. Here I am using 1/3 cup of coconut for extra creaminess. Now using just a little bit of water, I am using 1/4 cup of water here. You need to use water as required and make a smooth paste out of it like this. So it's done. Now back to cooking. So in the same oil I'm going to add 2 bay leaves here, then 3-4 cardamom pods. Open them and add them. 1/2 inch of cinnamon stick, then goes 4-5 cloves, then a teaspoon of black peppercorns, then 1 mace or javitri, and fry them for 15 seconds till they are aromatic. Next to that I'm adding 2 medium sized onion finely chopped, and I'm going to fry them over medium flame for 7-8 minutes so that they get nicely caramelized and golden brown. Now after 7-8 minutes we are back, and as you can see they are caramelized. So now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and I'm going to fry them for 2 minutes so that the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Now to that add dry ingredients: 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix them. Fry them over low flame for few seconds only. Then I am going to add some water. Here I am using 1/2 cup of water. Mix them. Bring it to boil over high flame. And cook them for 2-3 minutes. After 2-3 minutes we are back. and add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and mix it. Now to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi and mix it as well, and over low flame mix the dahi or yogurt so that it does not split in the curry. Now to that I'm going to add the ground mixture paste that we have made using cashew nut, kishmish, raisin and coconut. Mix them thoroughly. It's already taking a nice color, as you can see, the bright red color to the sides. Now I'm going to cook them over medium flame for 5-6 minutes. After 5-6 minutes we're back again and add salt according to your taste. Here I'm using 1.5 teaspoon. Now to that add the chicken pieces and I'm going to smear the gravy all over the chicken pieces using the spoon, so that all the masala, all the greatness and tasty bits goes inside the chicken. After that cover it and cook it over low flame for 20 minutes. Turn them in middle. After 20 minutes we're back. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk to this gravy and mix it. And as I told you, in between the 20 minutes I have flipped the chicken pieces like this for few times. Now over high flame I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes and make sure the chicken pieces are cooked through using a knife. I have done that off camera. So as you can see, the gravy is quite ready. Now lastly I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of rose water and 1 teaspoon of kewra water, as it is a occasion friendly recipe, so we need this kind of rich smell and rich taste. So mix it thoroughly and cover it and give it 2 minutes of standing time. Then serve it hot. It goes really well with naan, paratha or any kind of Indian flatbreads. So do make this recipe in any occasion and for your guests. Also make it for your friends and family, and especially kids. They will love it. It's not very spicy but delicious. And don't forget to like, share and comment in the comment section below if you like my video. Thank you.